What we have identified at that time as rational, that it was that budgets were driving wrong behavior. You know, this use it or lose it mentality. When you are approaching the year end, November, December, you spend 3 times more than in the beginning of the year, of course, because you need to secure your baseline, and preferably you should also negotiate some additional resources. Another thing, budgets are often prepared for a single department or a function, so that makes it disconnected of strategy, and this drives a lot of sub-optimization. Third thing, you said it takes a very long time, and a lot of resources are put in such a process. 2, 3, sometimes 4 months. Not only finance people, but all leadership is involved in this exercise. And when you think of the resources put in it and the value at the end, it does not balance. And the last thing, budgets are outdated. Yes, you know all these iterations, the version 12, 13, 14, finally it's approved, let us submit it in our system, and what happens, we make an organizational change in our marketing function, and what you can see in front of you is that you have a year where you will do the variance explanation because of the phasing. So, one number cannot do the job. It's back to what Anders showed to you this morning. There were a lot of different and conflicting purposes with budgets. And that's what we have tried to define in a new performance model when we decided to skip the budgets and introduce the new model for our organization. So we said we will work with setting high ambitions, aspirations, where we will look into the future 3 to 5 years from now. We will establish a rolling forecast. It is high-level rolling forecast. So forecast is not prepared at the department level. It's prepared at functional level. And it's updated once per quarter, and we decided to look 5 quarters in the future, just to come above this frame called financial or calendar year.